Also, I'm going back through the Artist Way. I'm just finishing up week 1, and then we're going to start into week 2. So the one thing I want to point out before I finish the art demo is that in week 2 in the Artist Way, there's rules of the road. And so if I read rule number 10, it says, place this sign in my workspace. Great creator, I will take care of the quantity. You take care of the quality. So that's, again, the idea with making these videos to keep posting on the Instagram is each time I get to make a couple art projects and a video. So I'm making like 3 things each week. So during week 1 of the Artist Way, like I said, I'm just finishing up. So this piece didn't even take a whole week. I practiced with some spattering and some drizzling of the paint. And then I actually spent some time drawing with paper, with pen and paper, to figure out what kind of squiggly pattern, like the drawing on the piece, because I wanted to add some drawing. You can do whatever kind of drawing you want if you followed along with the spattering. You can do whatever kind of drawing you want to do, or painting, or more spattering or drizzling. I'm going to, so this one that I started, it's really pink and yellow and green. So I'm going to keep going. I think I'm going to turn it this way, and I'm going to make just a big general swirly shape for the purpose of this demo. So I'm going to, like I said, mostly green. So there's going to be a lot of yellow and blue and a little bit of black. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get any more white out of my container right now. And I just want to finish these pieces up, so I can post this and be done with my first video project. And then, like I said, for week 2, we'll go into more of the Artist Way, and we'll have a video art project for that week as well. So, get my brush out, cleanish. I'm going to start with the blue, just because there isn't a lot of blue in here. So it'll be easy to make a nice contrasting shape. So this, I let it dry overnight. It was really wet last night. This one is canvas board. So the paint did dry on there. This one, I use a canvas itself. So the paint dries differently on the different surfaces. I think when I came back to that one the next morning, it probably still had a little bit of, I don't know, I would say more give to the paint than this one does. This one dried completely, which is fine. And the drizzles are really nice. So I'm not going to do, that one I did lots of layers because I did it over the course of many days. I did lots of drizzle and spatter, and then I went back in it with white and black and blue to draw the lines. So this one I'm doing blue, and then I'm doing yellow on either side. I don't think it's going to end up being a solid shape because I want to keep both the spatter in the middle. This is really pretty spatter. If you look at how some of that turned out, it's really pretty. And so I want to leave that prettiness. I like adding the shape on there. I just think it creates a nice unifying image. You can make a whole piece just out of spatter and drizzle. That is perfectly fine. It's really pretty. But just to illustrate what I had done on that piece, I'm doing the same on this demo. Just to finish it up, I'm adding some shapes over the top here. And like I said, they're just going to be a really simple, thin. I don't think I'm going to cover any more space than I already have because I want all that pretty drizzle, pretty spatter to show. I'm just going to really pretty this up. So I'm going to spend some time painting on that, and then I'll probably record another quick little video